Are you looking to earn extra income with online platforms? From transcription and writing to completing microtasks and offering handyman services, there are numerous opportunities to make money online. 1. TranscribeMe. This site offers competitive transcription rates, paying between $15 to $22 per audio hour. Top transcribers can earn up to $2,200 a month by typing what they hear or see in videos. 2. Scribie. Scribie pays $5 to $25 per audio hour for transcription jobs. They also offer a $5 monthly bonus for every 3 hours worked. A unique feature is their automated transcription tool, which helps you review the typed text instead of typing everything from scratch. 3. 𝗙𝗶𝘁𝗵. At 𝗙𝗶𝘁𝗵, you can earn about 40 cents per audio minute. To qualify, you need to work at least 4 days a week and provide some flexibility in your schedule. 4. SpeakWrite. SpeakWrite focuses on legal and law enforcement transcription. You need to type at least 65 words per minute with 90% accuracy. While they don't specify pay rates, it said they offer some of the best compensation due to the specialized work. 5. Clickworker. This platform offers microtasks like data entry and surveys. You can make decent money each month, but it may be challenging to earn a full-time income. Targeting higher-paying tasks can improve your earnings. 6. Express Writers. This site allows you to earn money by completing writing assignments. Writers can make between $40,000 to $60,000 annually, with the option for daily payments after completing jobs. 7. Product 2. If you like reviewing products, this app pays you $20 to $100 per video review you make. You can turn your product opinions into cash by creating video content about your shopping experiences. 8. TaskRabbit. Here, you can offer handyman services in your local area. Jobs can include plumbing, cleaning, and repairs. You set your rate between $35 to $200 per hour, and repeat customers can help you earn a full-time income. 9. 𝗙𝗶𝘁𝗵. 𝗙𝗶𝘁𝗵 connects freelance writers, editors, and designers with clients needing content. Writers can earn 10 cents to 30 cents per work, and payments are processed within 24 hours after client approval. This version streamlines the information for clarity while retaining essential details.